Welcome to our animal shelter. If you like this video, subscribe, like, and share. Comment below any future projects you would like to see. All right, so this is some of the artwork the kids did. This is one with chalk. Beautiful. Thank you very much for that.
And this is Calvin.
Yes, and this is another artwork from another student. Very good. Thank you for the artwork, guys. Oh yeah, everyone is busy in the animal shelter today. Hi everyone, welcome to the animal shelter. We are so glad to have everyone here. Thank you for pointing out to the sign. This is our welcome sign to the shelter. And we have lots of wonderful pets that we all chose for the animal shelter today. Thank you so much for all of you for participating in making the signs, in making also the artwork that we have to show in a moment. Thank you for putting the toys for the animals to play with and getting our forms ready. So today we have two things we're going to fill out. When you're going to see, you're going to come and you're going to check out the animals. They're awesome, excited, waiting to get a wonderful home. And we're going to fill this paper out. All you need to do is take a pencil or a pen and you're going to check off hamster, dog, or other. And I know some of you had some questions. About what the word other means. And the word other means it's not a hamster and it's not a dog. So if you don't want a hamster, as a matter of fact, let's see if you guys understand. If you want a dog, which one do you choose?
The middle one.
The middle one, very good. If you want a hamster, which one do you choose?
The top one.
Very good. And if you don't want a hamster and you don't want a dog, which one do you pick?
Other.
Very good. Other, the one on the bottom. Good job. So you're going to pick either of those three so that you can tell me what is it that you want, and then I'll show you what animals we have to adopt today. And then this is a certificate. It's called a Certificate of Excellence. The animals are excellent condition. They're waiting to be taken to a good home. And so we're going to put their name here. And we're going to give you a certificate for today for having adopted your animal. Are you guys excited?
Yeah!
Are you guys excited?
Yeah!
Woo! Great. So let's get started. We have snacks. And thanks to one of your friends today, we have yellow salad to give to everyone that gets an animal. Oh yeah. Show me your happy dance. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right, everyone. Let's get started.
Yeah!
All right, everyone. You guys can step inside, check the animals. You can play with the animals to see which one you like. And then we're going to fill out the form. Remember, here's the animal shelter welcome sign. I love it. It's beautiful.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. You guys get to pick an animal.
Okay. So do you want to have
Thank you.
Yes.
Let the staff know which animals you want. You can check it. They can check it off on the chart. Daphne, they can check it off. Very good. Oh, you like a puppy. And you got a toy for your puppy. Nice. What did you get?
I got a hamster.
Very good. A hamster for you. Oh. All right. What does the baby want? Which animal does she want? We're going to find out in a moment. Here are the forms. Here are our pets. Our pets are waiting to be taken to a great home. Yes.
Sure. Make our own pets.
Yes. Oh, wow. With a toilet paper roll, you can make a pet? That is a great, yes, a pet for your pet. That is too cute. And here is a yellow salad. Some kids already took some salad. Okay. You guys have some yellow salad made by one of our kids. This is some yellow salad made by one of our students. She calls it a yellow salad because everything yellow was taken out from the toy pantry, put into the salad, and then you can add different fruits and vegetables. Music and dance is always a part of our weekly schedule. And here is an awesome dance with one of my wonderful students.
I'm on this video, and it's going to be on YouTube, so you can see my awesome moves. Yeah!
And one, and two, and one, and two, and and one, and two, and one, and two. We miss our graduate dearly. She will always be in our hearts. Hope you have a great time in school. Arts is another major part of our days at the daycare, as well as reading. We encourage our children to read from as early as possible and to express themselves as they feel comfortable. The best way for a child to learn is to let them learn at their own pace and let them explore the real world indoors as well. That way they have the tools that they'll need to be successful in everything they do in their lives. Reading starts with pictures. Words come after. So don't worry about your child reading any faster than anyone else. Let them learn as they feel comfortable. This is part of our arts and crafts. I love to put big papers and let them do whatever they want and climb on things and just have fun, enjoy themselves, both indoors and outdoors. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to smile.